Now then, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all keeping well. So, today I am making a bench. It's been an owl kind of week. Been doing all sorts of owls, and I thought, well, today's no different. So, I had an idea. I'll show you my little ideas board. I thought I'll just do a little simple little bench with a little family of owls on the back there. So I have these will be the for legs, so I'm going to cut those in half, slot out from the side so you've got the angle support there, and then we have that'll be the bench seat, and then we have roughly marked out with two adults, more than five either side, and the wee babbies inside. So that is the plan. See how it turns out, shall we? Please, I never ask, but please like and subscribe if you can. If you don't, I won't throw the tennis ball for Sally and Paddy. Do you want me to throw the tennis ball? I won't if I don't like and subscribe. Yeah, no, I will throw a tennis ball, I'm only lying. So, right, we'll get you on the stand and see how it turns out, shall we? See you soon. Right guys, job done. Have a little look, see what you think. There we go. We've got parents each side with two babbies in the middle. What do you reckon? So you can see the feet down there. Yeah, something different. No, I'm happy with that. So yeah, right. Another job done. What am I making tomorrow? Highland cows tomorrow, I think. But yeah, we'll get you over on the next interesting project anyway. Hopefully later on this week. So we'll see you then. Cheers guys. See you later.